In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a template in Docusign using a simple and practical approach that actually works for most users. Once you log in, head to the Templates section from the side menu, which is essentially where you can standardize repetitive documents like contracts or agreements. Creating a template here saves time, but it's important to carefully set roles, fields, and signing order to avoid errors later. You can upload a document, drag and drop signature or input fields, and assign them to recipients. It's also worth reviewing notification settings and access permissions to ensure only intended users can interact with the template. While Docusign is widely trusted, always double-check permissions and document accuracy, since mistakes in templates can scale quickly across multiple uses. Overall, it's a solid feature for improving workflow efficiency if used thoughtfully and securely. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech guides that actually help you grow.